and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Cool Mist humidifier. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is really good for like kids' room. You can put it, if you have a lot of plants, as you can see, I have a ton of plants in my house and plants love these. And it's also really good. Like I also have a really bad cough right now, and the doctor yesterday told me that I need to be using these, which I do use these a lot already because of my plants. But that's what this is. It says it has a auto shut off, 3-minute setting, time setting, and night light. So I did also want to add that it is a 7.5 liter capacity. It is by this brand right there, and this is like the model number and everything, in case you're wondering. I just wanted to make sure that I added that in this video. Okay, so it does come with a user manual. It also has like just a fast start guide. So you're gonna find everything in the inside. Comes with this cleaner if you get any algae or anything like that to clean it out with, which is really nice. So pretty much what this says, you actually pour the water in through this part right here, is what it shows. So do not put the water into this hole. It says no water. So make sure when you're pouring in the water, it doesn't get into this hole right here. Pour the water in from right here. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into, where's the plug in? It's in the back. So you're going to plug it in back here and set this up on the table. Okay, so I'm going to start pouring it in right here. Okay, so you can see a whole pitcher, like a big old pitcher of tea. Did not fill it up. This is max 1. This is max 2. So you can see right there's your power button. You have high humidity, medium, or low. And then you can put it on a timer for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours, or have it on continuously. And you can do a night light. So there's a blue light in there. And with the water all the way filled to right here, all this water will light up and make it really look like a nice little glow. You can see, I think that's on low. So that's low. So that's high. Like that's a lot of humidity coming out, which is great if you're sick or anything like that. My plants are probably loving this right now. That's the main thing that I use it for, is my plants. So if I face it this way, you can see these plants are really gonna like that. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.